one. What a beautiful day. We not say it. Oh, oh. Trees, long wavy forest. Oh, a forest. A long, dark and forest. Head over. Can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it. Tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that? We're going up a hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We not scared. Oh, oh. A snowstorm. I wish I saw snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it. Woohoo, woohoo. What's that? We're going over. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. That's it. Oh, oh, okay. A guadalupe cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we got to go through it. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that? Big shiny red nose. Two big fleas. Two big googly eyes. It's a fire! Quick, back to the cave! Tiptoe, 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 back to the snowstorm. Back to the first summer sun trip. Back to the buds. Sprout, 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 sprout. Back to the rivers. Splash, splash, splash. Back to the grass. This is splashing. Look. Back to the front door. Open the door. Upstairs. Oh no, we got to shut the door. Back downstairs. Open the door. Back upstairs. And a bit under the covers. We're not going up and hunt again.
Great job.
What's that what baby doing?
I don't know.
Mama, I want in the fish going back.
Yeah. You did a good job reading that book.
Mama, I'm just going to read my little fish to it.
Oh, you're going to read it to your fish?
Oh, I said the other side. So I get cold.
Good job.
Oh, yes. To my little fish. Oh, yummy. Little fish book to you.
And there's Rebecca providing a commentary. Becca! Becca! What you doing, honey? Hey, little baby. Oh, yeah, you should have slept past 6 o'clock.